On my way to the Montezuma waterfall. I don't know if I'm going the right way. I'm just walking through the jungle. Hopefully I get there soon. Okay, well I found the waterfall. I know what you're probably thinking, Keller, why no drone shots of the waterfall? Well, what you didn't see is as I was setting up my drone, I became overtaken by heat exhaustion and got incredibly dizzy and felt insanely nauseous, and I decided that being able to make the walk back, which was very difficult, was more important than getting the drone shot, because I really truly was not sure how much longer I had until I passed out. And I didn't have any water. I left all my water on my quad. So no drone shots. Right now I'm ordering dinner here at a small restaurant that I sort of discovered off the beaten path. I would have never expected this resort or this restaurant to be here because it was in like off a really dingy road with very little signage. It's actually a yoga retreat, but the restaurant is open to the public. The view is unbelievable.